Good morning, everyone. I thought we could get ready together on this exciting party day. Norwex.biz's goal is to make our homes cleaner, safer, and better. Harmful chemicals come into our home in so many different ways. Our cleaning supplies, which we've been talking about, laundry detergents, even our skincare. There are a jaw-dropping 168 chemicals in personal care products that the average woman uses every single day. Now, while many may pose just a little risk, exposure to some have been linked to serious health problems, including cancer. A lot of them are endocrine disruptors. They can impact ability to have children. Norwex.biz's skincare was created using cleaner formulas, safer ingredients, for better results, really. The FDA has only banned 11 chemicals from personal care products. The European Association has banned 1,600. Norwex has banned 2,700 different chemicals. With biodegradable formulas, upcycled ingredients, recycled materials, and even refillable options, Norwex skincare gives our best value and results. So I want to quickly highlight our skincare for you today. The first step is to always clean the skin. So I love to use the body and face cloth. It's all I use on my whole body anymore. No soap anywhere. But for my face, I do add the cleansing facial powder. And this is formulated with Norton antioxidants and probiotics. It helps to leave your skin feeling smooth. Just a little bit like this. Powder on there. It leaves your skin feeling smooth and hydrated. And the prebiotics balance the skin's microbiome and protect it from external factors, including dryness and irritation. So just rub this on, wipe it off, and I'm good to go. After cleansing, I treat with the Rejuvenating Serum and the Renewing Eye Cream. Oh, feels so good. So the Rejuvenating Serum is giving you intense hydration with glacial water, gentle exfoliation using alpha-hydroxyalides, and smoother, brighter skin. Matricil 3000 improves elasticity and decreases wrinkles. Isn't that the best, right? The Renewing Eye Cream is good for our delicate eye area. Now you put this on, pat this on, right? This is going to get rid of those puffy, tired eyes, and this is approved to use over your entire eye area. So not just around the bone. You can actually put this on your eyelashes all the way up to your eyebrows. Oh, kind of missed a little bit there. Now, next is our hydrating moisture. I always rub my extra on my hands, right? The hydration comes from a natural humectant that tracks and seals in moisture. Amino acids bolster that hydration and fortify the skin's natural barrier by supporting protein synthesis. And andocene, which is renowned in Korean skincare, and don't Koreans just always have the most beautiful skin, right? It rejuvenates the complexion with its soothing and energizing qualities. Now we follow that up with our Illuminating oil. It's a Norton antioxidant blend that protects, hydrates, and detoxifies the skin. Helps to neutralize free radicals and pollutants, and gives you a beautiful radiant glow. This oil helps to maintain the essential moisture barrier formed by lipids and corneocytes, safeguarding against environmental threats. Oh yeah, and you can also use this on your cuticles and the ends of your hair as well, to help to strengthen them. Finally, we protect our skin with our Protect and Prevent mineral sunscreen. The best way to slow the effects of aging on your skin is to protect it. This broad spectrum mineral sunscreen protects from sun damage, from pollution, and even from blue light. You get that all day long looking at your screens. We're gonna protect our skins from that. And I want you to see how easy and fast that this absorbs right into your skin. This is a fast absorbing, reef-friendly, it's easy to wear even under your makeup, and it gives your skin a radiant glow. Plus, it has wrinkle fighting, is anti-wrinkle, and I love the fact that it keeps your skin looking radiant. This is going to help fight wrinkles, and it protects you from the blue light that we're affected all day long and pollution. Now, another amazing thing about so many of our skincare products is they are refillable. So once they are used, you just recycle this tube and put in the refill, which is going to significantly cut down on waste in our landfills. So thanks so much for getting ready with me this morning. I can't wait to see you later tonight for our live demo. Have a great day, everyone.